In this lecture, we will look at what type of business structure is best for you. Again, this depends upon the individual needs and priorities of the entrepreneur. However, the following factors can help you decide which type to go for. The four most common types of businesses are sole proprietorship or sole trader, partnership, limited liability partnership, and private limited company. And this lecture will compare these four structures. I've also produced a table which is attached to this lecture. You can download that table to look at and compare different structures. If you want to start without burdensome formalities, then probably sole trader or partnership is the best option for you. Because for private limited company or limited liability partnership, you will have to make an application, pay fees, and then comply with different regulatory requirements. If you want to start business on your own, then probably sole trader or private limited company is the option for you, because for partnership or limited liability partnership, you will have to have at least two people within the business. Otherwise, there is no partnership or limited liability partnership. If you wish to team up with someone else, for example, you want to utilize their skills or you want to attract more investment, then probably partnership or limited liability partnership is the best way forward. Private limited company can also be used for that purpose where there can be. You may also have concern in relation to possible liabilities for the business debts, and if you want to keep them limited, then sole trader or partnership probably is not for you. In that case, you would prefer to go for private limited company or limited liability partnership. And if you are not worried about your potential liabilities just yet, then you are free to choose any type of business, sole trader or partnership including. If you are an undischarged bankrupt, then probably you cannot go for private limited company or limited liability partnership because the law will not allow you to become a director or member of the limited liability partnership. In that case, you will have no choice but to go for sole trader or enter into a partnership. If you do not want to deal with filing accounts and documents on regular basis, then again you should go for becoming a sole trader or join a partnership. If you want to keep your finances confidential and do not want to make them public, then again you should go for becoming a sole trader or join a partnership, because there are requirements for private limited company and limited liability partnership to file those documents, although in respect of private limited company the regulations are more strict compared to limited liability partnership. If you want to make your business decisions freely, quickly, and without any formalities, again, sole trader or partnership is a preferable type of business. If you want to keep the cost of starting and running a business minimal, again, it's sole trader or partnership. If status matters for you and you do everything by the books, for example, if you want to hold a position as a director and want to deal with the financial institutions, for example, banks on formal basis, then you should go for private limited company or limited liability partnership. While these factors do assist with the fundamental concepts of the different business structures, position in practice may be different and would also depend upon the nature and experience of the entrepreneur's business, but this indeed is a good starting point. No doubt, once the business is successful, you may look at changing the type of business, for example, from partnership to limited liability partnership, or from sole proprietorship to private limited company. From the next section, we will look at a company limited by shares. See you in the next section.